Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you instant dark underarms whitening pack. So without wasting time, let's start the video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Take a bowl and add 2 teaspoons of gram flour. Add half slice of lemon juice. Mix well. Now mixture is ready to use. Before going to apply this, shave your underarms well. Without clean, don't apply anything. Now it's hair free. Apply this mixture on your underarms. Everyone knows that the lemon is the best natural bleach and the best thing to lighten your underarms. The acidity of a lemon will lighten dark underarms area and exfoliate your skin, removing the dead cells from skin surface. Gram flour is the another ingredient that can be used as whitening pack to get rid of dark underarms. After apply, wait for 5 minutes. Now take a lemon peel and rub your armpits for 3 minutes. After that, wash it off with normal water. If you love to wear sleeveless clothes, you have to care your underarms well. Do this twice a week for best result. Hope you like this video. See you soon with next video. Till then, bye.